Oh, I like school, kind of, because I get to see my friends. Okay, class, we're going to do math today. No, math! Then I hate school, forget that. I only like it because I like my friends. Well, you learn too. Okay? Oh my god, the fire alarm's going off! Oh no! Okay, class, let's go! No! Is there a fire drill planned? No, there's not a drill planned. The alarm must be malfunctioning or something's up. See, it already turned off. Why did it go off? You know, I hate fire alarms. Well, we don't know what's going on. There could be a fire. The system could be acting up. Okay, come back inside. Okay. Supposed to come back inside now. See, I don't know what happened. Okay, attention everybody. Our fire alarm system is currently malfunctioning right now. There is a very high chance the alarm may go off again. I can't say that for sure, but the chances are super high our alarm system is not working right. So if it does go off again, please stay in your classroom. Thank you. No! I hate fire alarms. Oh my god. You know, I hate those fire drills, at least when I do them during the spring and fall, but not the winter time. But I don't like when it malfunctions. I hate fire alarms, period. But now that the alarm could go off again, I'm really anxious the whole time. 50 minutes later. Okay, class, today's theory is... Okay, just disregard that. Malfunction, disregard. No! 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 Quick, stop it, Kim. No! Loud! It scared the heck out of me! See? Kim, it's already off. Well, it scared me. Well, there's a problem with the system. Oh my god, that even scared me more. Bob, they're working on it, trying to fix it. Oh, no! No! Calm down, Kim. Calm down, Kim the Frog. Attention, everybody, the fire alarm system is now fixed. So, please, everything's okay now, so it shouldn't go off again, okay? Thank you. Whew, thank God. A week later, okay, class, we're having a fire drill today. Oh my God, no. Ah! No! 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 Everybody back in. 2 in the morning. Oh, I can't sleep. I'm worried the fire alarm's gonna go off again. And we're gonna keep on those roads. You know what? I'm sick of fire alarms. You know, I'm just gonna tamper with them and take them all out. I can't take it no more. That's it. I'm taking them out. No more fire alarms. I'm done. I'm done with them. I'm going back. Okay, I'm going back home now. I have to go to sleep. I'm gonna get out here before they catch me and go back to bed. Okay, next morning, 7 a.m. Kim, we caught you on security camera. They tampered with the fire alarms. Well, they're too loud. Kim, that's tampering. You know what? You are expelled from school. Go to the principal's office. I'm the principal. I heard you tampered with the fire alarms. Yeah, because they're too loud. Kim, you're expelled from school. You're no longer back here. Gotta pay a fine for tampering. That's not good. Go home now. No!